All right, this is the day one of our class. This is the introduction and fundamental on graphic design. What are the first thing you need to know is the concept of graphic design. The concept is just like, okay, before I go to concept, what you need to note is the definition of the course called graphic design. What is a design? People make sure that a design is always creative, that it beautifies your work, right? Fine. But graphic, so design is not just that. Design is like a creation. When you're creating something, when you're using your idea to do something, to make a design more unique, that is what called design. You get? But you can differentiate between design and graphic design. How? I will explain in my next video. So graphic design is just like is a course, right, on its own. Like I was saying earlier, how to differentiate between a design and graphic design. Now I've explained what design is, right? I can't go back to it. If you want to look at more details, see that in my next video. Thank you so much. So differentiation between design and graphic design. Design is a creation of a plan and continuation for a construction of an object or system. That is what design is. Then graphic design is a process of visual communication. That means, look at this design now. This design that is on this box. Look at this design that is on this box, right? This is called a design, right? This is a design. This is what is called graphic design. So this graphic design gives more communication. It communicates the information that is being written on this thing. Look at now. It said educating. They say educating future. They say educating future ready leaders. Look at it. This is they give more information about the design. That is what graphic design is all about. So if you have problems about graphic designing, it's not hard to learn. Graphic design is just about creativity. Hello, if you understand what I'm saying, share, comment and subscribe. So graphic design